In a solar system, there are a lot of solar panels need to connect to get high power. In this time, we will need to use the PV array combiner. The PV array combiner made by iron materials have IP65 protection degrees, so can install outdoor. We can see it have some ground for the solar input and 1 ground for the solar output. You have terminals to connect with solar panel and connect with the controller. Besides, solar array combiner have anti-thunderstorm protections. You have surgeon protection device to make sure the solar panel is safe during the lightning attack. The maximum power is 1000 watts and it has 16 amperes force inside the PV array combiner.